guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing some of the brand new slime packs that Elmer's just released. So recently I've been looking around on YouTube and Amazon and I saw that Elmer's just came out with some brand new slimes, and I am just so excited to try them out in today's video, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram for a bunch of exclusive slime content. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. And without further ado, let's get started. So here are the two Elmer's goo packs that I ordered off of Amazon. So we have the Retro Flash Pack and the Unicorn Dream Pack, and they both cost around $16 each. Also, if you guys want to purchase these, I'll be sure to have the links in the description box down below. So the first slime pack I'm opening is the Retro Flash Pack, and I just think it's so cool that Elmer's came out with some retro themed slimes, and I was just so excited to try these out. So this first slime that I'm opening is called Retro Pop. So this one is a blue clear slime, and all of the slimes in these packs each come with a little bag of add-ins, which I thought was so fun. So this one comes with some little music note confetti pieces, and I just thought these went perfect with the slime. This clear slime has a very nice holdable texture. It has great clicking noises and bubble pops. It wasn't super stretchy at first, but it did become a lot stretchier the more I played with it. Also, on the box it does say the slime has a blue raspberry scent. It's a pretty light scent, and it smells so nice. Up next we have the Retro Glam slime, and this one is a neon pink bubblegum themed slime, and it also comes with some rainbow foam beads. I really like the texture and the theme of this slime. I just love the neon pink color, and I also thought the rainbow foam beads went perfect with the bubblegum theme. This slime is so nice and crunchy. It's great for poking in bubble pops, and out of the retro pack, it's probably the stretchiest slime too. I also love the super strong bubblegum scent. It smells so nice, and I just love playing with this one. And lastly, from the Retro Flash Pack, we have the Just Fun slime. So this one is an orange clear slime that comes with some glow-in-the-dark star add-ins, which I think is so cool, and I thought that was such a creative idea for a retro slime. This slime has a very nice and thick texture. It has great clicking noises and bubble pops, and just like the other retro slime, it does become a lot stretchier the more you play with it. This slime is also scented, although I'm not quite sure what the scent is. It kind of has like an orange marmalade kind of a smell. I also love all the star add-ins. I did check to see if they glow in the dark, and they do glow pretty well, but it's a little bit hard to pick up on camera. Up next, we have the Unicorn Dream Pack. I really like the packaging and the theme of these slimes. I just love all the colors, and I was really excited to try out these textures. So this first slime is called Unicorn Butter. So this one is a crystal clear slime that comes with a little pink clay piece that you get to mix into the slime. So instead of mixing the clay straight in, I thought it would look really cool if I put it into a swirl, and I just love how this one turned out. As soon as the clay was mixed into the slime, I noticed that it made the texture pretty stiff. It wasn't super stretchy, and it was a little hard to play with because it was so stiff. So I decided to mix in a few pumps of lotion to try and soften the texture, and it worked really well. Now this slime is so nice and soft, it's super stretchy, it has great clicking noises and bubble pops, and it also inflates to double in size. Also, I'm not really sure if the slime is scented, all I can really smell is the lotion fragrance. This butter slime is definitely on the thinner side. It's not super thick and holdable, but I still love playing with this one. So if you do get it, I definitely recommend mixing in some lotion. Up next, we have the Unicorn Fluffy Slime. So this one is a teal colored slime that comes with some unicorn confetti add-ins, which I thought were super cute. I really like the texture of this slime. It definitely feels more like a thick and glossy slime than a fluffy slime. This slime is great for stretching, poking, and bubble pops, and I also love the teal color. I also really like all the unicorn add-ins. It just makes the slime look so pretty. There's hardly any fallout, but they do poke your hands a little bit when you play with it. Other than that, I think this is a great slime, and it also has a really nice sweet scent. And last but definitely not least, we have the Unicorn Magic Slime. So this one is a yellow scented slime that comes with some gold sheets that you get to mix in. I was so excited for this one. I don't think I've ever seen a store-bought slime come with these before. They're just so pretty and they were so satisfying to mix. This slime has such a nice texture. It does feel pretty similar to the previous slime. It's so nice and stretchy, and it has really great bubble pops. It was also so satisfying to mix in the gold sheets. It just made the slime look so pretty. However, it did stick pretty well to my hands and nails. It was a little bit hard to get off my nails, but I actually really liked how it looked. The slime is also scented. I'm not quite sure what the scent is, but it kind of reminds me of bananas. I think this is a really great slime, and I just love playing with this one. Overall, I really like these Elmer slime packs. I think they're really great store-bought slimes, and I just love all the add-ins as well. I think out of the 2 packs, the unicorn one is my favorite, but you'll have to let me know what you think in the comments below. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below which slime was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram for a bunch of exclusive slime videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye!